Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wells Fargo how to find hidden payees. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first method that you can use is using the Wells Fargo mobile app. To do it, simply head over and open up your Wells Fargo mobile application. Then once you're inside, log in using your username and password, then tap on sign in or sign in on the bottom. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and among the options you'll find an option that says bill pay. Simply select that, and now scroll to the bottom and look for the option that says manage payees, view all payees, or hidden or inactive payees. Simply tap on hidden or inactive payees, then tap on show or on hide next to the hidden pay option, and now the pay will appear in your bill playlist. The next option is simply heading over and opening up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Wells Fargo login, then simply tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then inside here tap on the sign in option on the top and sign in using your username and password. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the menu icon on the top right corner of the screen, and among the options what you need to do is select bill pay. Then inside the bill pay page, click manage payees, sometimes called pay list as well. Then look for hidden payees, inactive payees, or archive payees, and then select on hide or restore to bring them back. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.